All right, guys, this is the last step of completing the square. So I'm going to try to do a couple of examples. So let me start by copying this to my iPad, and then let's go from there. So here's the equation. Remember, first thing you're going to do is take the middle term, divide it by 2, and then you're going to square it. So that's what we're going to be adding to both sides. So this is going to be x plus 2 squared. You always take the inside there, equals 16. Now, since it's a perfect square, we can square both sides. This is going to be x plus 2 equals plus or minus 4. And then last thing, going to subtract 2 from both sides. So it's going to be x equals a negative 2 plus or minus 4. So the first part is going to be a negative 2 plus 4. That's going to be 2. And the second 0 is going to be a negative 2 minus 4, which is going to be a negative 6. Now, you can solve this equation, and you should get both of these answers. But that's how you do it, by completing the square. So we have 2. And then I need to add the other solution, which was a negative 6. And then I submit it, and it says, good job. I'm going to try to do one more real quick. All right, clear. And let me write down this. This is x squared minus 12x plus 20 equals 0. Go to my iPad. Let's get this going. I'm going to subtract the 20 and move it to the other side. So this is going to be x squared minus 12x equals a negative 20. I'm going to take the negative 12, going to divide it in half, get a negative 6. Then I square it, get 36. So I'm going to add 36 to both sides. And now I can factor this. This is going to be x minus 6 squared equals a negative 20 plus 36 is going to be a positive 16. Then I'm just going to take the square root of both sides. This is going to be x minus 6 equals plus or minus 4. And then I just add 6 to both sides. And my final answers are going to be 6 plus or minus 4. One of them is going to be 6 plus 4, which is 10. And the other one is going to be 6 minus 4, which is 2. So my two answers are going to be 10 and 2. And then I submit it, and that's it. All right, so that's what you're doing. That's ultimately what you're doing for completing the square. So I'm going to end this and try to post it.